Guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net. In this video, let us do a quick unboxing overview of the PlayStation 5 media remote. So this is the media remote for the PlayStation 5 that you get. So if you order a PlayStation 5 bundle, you will get this remote with the PlayStation 5 console. Inside of the box, it's written entertainment at a push of a button. Conveniently control the entertainment of your PlayStation 5 console with this intuitive layout. Navigate your entertainment and dedicated app buttons, etc. Now quickly unboxing the product, we have here the Sony batteries, a user manual, and here is the remote itself. The remote is in white color and looks quite nice. It's a really stylish remote and has a really good design. To the rear we have the pattern which gives good grip and also makes the remote feel pretty well. The remote is also quite sturdy and doesn't feel heavy at all. We do have specific buttons for Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, and Disney Plus, so that's pretty cool. The remote is quite sturdy and doesn't feel heavy. We have a nice texture to the back which gives a good grip to the remote. You can pop off this back and put in your batteries. And to the rear side, if you can see here, we have the PlayStation control symbols which are the O, triangle, box, etc. So overall, the remote feels good and it's really stylish. If you are also interested in checking out the Pulse 3D headset, we have put in an unboxing video for the same. Link to check out will be in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle, and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.